start. What's up, you guys? Operation Gamer here, and welcome back to another episode of Let's Play Ratchet and Clank. It's been a while since I've done one of these, but in the last episode, I think we completed 2 planets at once, right? It was the 2 planet in 1 episode, where it was like an extremely long 45-minute episode. Who cares? But anyway, we are back on the planet Rilgar, and let me just warn you something. There's one level over here. Not my favorite level. So we might go for a rage-inducing part today.
I got some great
Mind glove. We'll wait on that, cause it's not my favorite weapon.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
We'll save up for it later. Cause what we need right now is ammo, and a lot of it. Okay. You know what? Why not just go to that place first? Anyway, so there's this big water level that I really hate. Okay. Oh no! 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 Oh no! Ah crap! Ah! Ah! Okay. Okay. Don't do that next time. There we go. Okay. Boom, boom. Most of this place takes place underground. Oh, the hydro displacer will come in handy here. Now let's replace the taunter. The taunter we're gonna need for a special little something something. I love the soundtrack in this game. I've mentioned that in a couple episodes, but this one isn't my favorite one, but it's actually really good. Anyway, the hydro displacer, as you can see, drains these underwater pools. Or no, wait, they're not underwater. I'm dumb. Sorry, I'm blanking out today. Jump. Okay. Now we have filled up this pool. This isn't the part that I hate. It's we'll see it in a minute. Die. Die. Collect all the boats that we see. And why are we draining this pool? You'll see. Because of this little beauty. I always gotta check to see if those stupid fish are in here. And it looks like not today. And you gotta jump and jump and jump away. Through the pipe and up and down. And all over the town. Oh god, why am I singing? Fill it back up. You really gotta learn how to swim. You have to be an expert swimmer. Wait, what? Wait, what? You guys saw that too, right? That was an odd glitch. You guys saw that too, right? It acted like we were underwater still. Okay. And down the waterfall we go. Okay. Here's the part. Not saying that I'm entirely good at it, but you should be glad that you have the hover pack for this. Alright, so this is how you do this part. Here we go. Once this opens, use the helipack to get across. Try to get here before the water enters this part. See? Use the helipack as the long jump feature as much as you can. Did you hear me? As much as you can, and don't stop moving. You shouldn't even bother with these guys. Who cares if you lose health? Alright, up here. You gotta race the water. Keep going. You gotta... I get it. Oh no. I don't think I want to make it. Alright. No. Oh yes, I made it! I made it! This isn't gonna be a rage video! Yay! Ah! Okay. I was so scared there for a second. I'm literally spitting on my microphone. I'm sorry my audio is still horrible. I am still working on it. Oh, I am so happy. See? Operation Gamer's channel is useful. What's up?
Hey, press conference is over. Captain Quark don't want no more reporters bugging him in his trailer.
Oh, you see, my friend and I need to speak to the captain about a matter of galactic security.
You mean you and your walking camera? You paparazzi make me sick. Now beat it.
But sir, I'm sure the Captain Quark will understand once we...
Now, save it. I know how it works. You convince me to let you in, you snap a picture of the captain in his underpants, then you sell a picture to the info tabloid for $1 million volts.
You've got it all wrong.
Meanwhile, I'm stuck here making 6 volts an hour, and I have to listen to a lecture from that cheapskate Quark. So you don't get in unless I get a kickback. In advance.
What does everyone say in advance? What does that even mean? I know it means something like cash, but in advance. It just doesn't make any sense. Alright, in the comments below, tell me what exactly that means, because it just... It's dumb. Okay, you know what? Fine. Brab and the bouncer. Here we go.
You see how it works? You grease the hinges, the door opens.
Captain Quark?
What's that?
It's Ratchet and Clank, Captain. You know, from the
Oh, yes, I know who you are.
You do?
Yes, and thank the galaxy you found me.
Huh?
There's an awful plot being hatched to destroy our planets.
Ratchet, he knows.
Great. Does that mean we can go hoverboarding now?
My friends, we're all in grave danger, and I believe that together we can put a stop to this madness.
Together? You mean you want our help?
Look, Ratchet, I've been keeping an eye on you. I've never seen anyone with such raw talent. You are a true hero in the making.
Really? You mean I could be famous?
Oh, absolutely. Oh, here, take this. What makes one man toil in obscurity while another becomes a hero? Is it strength, compassion, determination, or just pure blind luck? Wise men through the ages have struggled with that very question, but Captain Quark knows the secret. That's why he's been able to defeat more despots, rescue more damsels in distress, and save more civilizations than any other hero in the galaxy. Now is your opportunity to see if you've got the stuff heroes are made of. This infobot contains coordinates to Quark's secret base. Can you quickly conquer Quark's killer cannonade of confounded contraptions? Can you quickly Oh! Just make your way through the defenses to the center of the base. Prove yourself, learn the secret, and earn your place in galactic history. Consult your doctor before attempting any strenuous exercise. Not responsible for death or dismemberment. Your results may vary. Meet me at my headquarters.
Hey, Captain Ratchet, what do you think?
We won't fail you, sir. We promise.
Okay, so we have a new planet, but as you know, there is always something new. Alright, so does that mean Quark wasn't always commentating? I mean, what was he just commentating that whole video? Or was it recorded in? We never know. Let's go. Anyway, as you saw over there, that was the there's the hoverboard race right there. So there is a whole nother course that we have to go through, in order for my computer to just not turn off. But oh no. Classic guns. Oh crap, I forgot there's no strafing in this. That's the one thing I don't like about the first game. There's no strafing like there is in the other games. Where'd I get the nanotech? Did I got hit in the I got hit in the drain pipe, didn't I? Eh, who cares? Free nanotech. Yeah. Wow. I'm surprised they didn't hit me. Usually when I'm flaming up the TNT barrels, they hit me. Yeah, fight smog with fire. That doesn't make any sense, but you know what? It works. Oh yeah, you're gonna be easy. Wait, what? No, 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 no! Yeah, wait, what? No, no, why don't you just leave me alone? What? Okay. So apparently those amoeboids morph into two guys? Who knows? Oh, that only took me 10 minutes? 12 minutes? Alright. Here's a special secret that I'm going to tell you all. Alright, if you're in this and you have the O2 mask, those guys can't hurt you. There's a special Ratchet and Clank hack that I will tell you guys while my audio is still horrible. You're not gonna fool me this time, because I'm gonna hit you with my wrench. Or not. That guy's gonna hit you, and then that guy's gonna hit you, and then it's a chain reaction! Okay. Alright, so I know no one has commented this on my videos yet, but if I do have any viewers, and if I do, I'm thankful for you guys. But my last Minecraft video of Minecraft The Dark Descent, it was so laggy. I didn't notice it until I uploaded it on YouTube. So I'm sorry about that episode. No, I don't think I'm gonna go back and redo it, but I guess we'll just have to live with it. But I just want to apologize because I didn't notice it until after I posted it. I mean, I'm looking at the intro and I'm thinking, oh well, laggy intro, okay. At least it still has my commentation. And then I'm thinking, wait a minute, how does the rest of the video look? So then I'm looking and I'm at the elevator part, and I'm saying, oh no, I think I just screwed up. This is bad. Okay. So again, I just want to apologize for that. I also want to apologize about lacking some of the videos. I gotta stop apologizing. To be honest, I apologize way too much. Don't mind me. I'm just watching. Die. Oh, that's cool. You got rid of the amoeboids. Now die. I don't get why these guys attack you. If they're attacking the amoeboids, why are they attacking me? What did I do? Ow! Piece of crap. Eat dish. Mother. Okay. So many bolts. Okay. I hate solo commentaries. I promise sometime when I play Minecraft, I will have a friend. If I have any. Hey, who are you?
Rhino for your robot. Trade you.
Well, okay.
Ratchet.
I'm kidding. Sorry, he's not for sale. What's a rhino anyway?
Rip ya a new one.
What did you just say to me?
R-Y-N-O. Rip ya a new one.
Why, that's the most powerful missile launcher in the galaxy. I know it's worth a lot of bolts. He must have stolen it from the blarg.
Stolen. Look, trash can. Did I say anything about it being hot? You better watch your mouth or I'll...
Wait, don't tell me. Rip you a new one.
So we need that much for the Rhino. For the rip ya a new one, which makes no sense. It makes no sense. What possibility could you get out of that one statement? Rip ya a new one. It makes no sense of being a missile launcher. I'm sorry I'm yelling if you literally have to cover your earphones or your ears. But it makes no sense. And I just did a side flip. And I did another side flip. And I did a long jump. And I did more long jumps. And I did a backflip. I'm back flipping. I'm cooking for cooking. What? Just makes no sense. Goodbye. Oh, and also, look at this. See this? You can get bolts from it. But I'm not gonna do all that now. Let's see if I can do two planets in one day without it being almost an hour long. That'd be something. Did I say anything about it being hot? You better watch your mouth or dude, what? It would have sucked if my voice wasn't recording. If my microphone was still off after I turned it off. Oh, luckily. So anyway, school's almost out. What you guys doing for summer? Post in the comments. I'd love to hear about you. I'm going to Colorado, so next week you won't be seeing me post any videos. Cause I have to beat the living crap out of these amoeboids. Go away. Ah, great. More problems. Ow. Ow. Ah, crap. Why are you going after me? What did I do to you? Except for destroy you with these fine robot-looking things. Okay, there is... A tank gets destroyed in 2 hits. Weak. Alright, I'm gonna give this one my all. Look at all these bolts, it's like heaven. Okay, the one thing about the Glove of Doom is you can, at least 2 will open. At a time. My computer, stop turning off. Ow. Okay. This area right here, there's a lot of secret areas. There's things like a gold bolt. You can do crap like this if you want more enemies. You got more crates. Okay. Oh, you thought getting the gold bolt was simple? Oh no, you see. Oh no, this pad is broken. So how do we get it? Well, it's simple as saying 1, 2, 3. Up, up, and away! Whee! Yeah, this was a waste of time. I have no fear. Usually, when I first started playing this game, I would go slowly along here, but now I have no fear. Like, I don't care if I fall. Gold bolt. Alright, I gotta check to see how many gold bolts I have from each world. Because I've been losing count. Die. Ow, my voice. Yes! Ow! Doesn't hurt me, but it hurts me. Bye. Either way, how does that make sense? The tanks won't hurt you either if you have the O2 mask. And we're either going up or down. Up. We made it. Hello.
Welcome to the HoverCon Intergalactic Hoverboard Competition. Captain Quirk's giving away a brand new Platinum Zoomerator to the winner of this competition.
A platinum zoomerator. Perhaps that will be the proof of your accomplishments that Skid's agent requires.
Wait, do you guys mean Skid McMarks?
Yeah, Skid couldn't make it, so we're here to, you know, fill in for him.
Guess we'll see about that.
Oh, don't. Alright, to my guy viewers. I saw you licking the screen. Don't think I don't see what you're doing. Alright, that was totally off topic. Why did I say that? That was so dumb. But I saw you. I have a feeling that that's going to be a problem for when I start playing Ratchet and Clank 3. But that's going to be a long time away, but a lot of guys are going to be thinking, "Oh, hot, hot, hot," when Courtney Gears walks out. It's going to be barbaric, to be honest. Oh, don't worry, I won't tell anyone. Oh, wait. Over 1,000 views. Wait, someone's watching this somewhere. Oh, it's time for Hoverboard. Okay. Alright, there's a skill point here that I'm not going to get because I just lost. Ah, crap. Ah, God. Well, I'm already in last place. Okay, but the races here are kind of easy. Ah, crap! Or not. What was that? Alright. To be honest, Hoverboard races, they're not my favorite thing to do in Ratchet and Clank. Oh god! Okay. So for the hoverboarding, you need to use as many quick cuts as you can. Because these guys are fast. And when they go through the TNT barrels, it's nothing. See, they just keep on going. But when I do it, I fall on my face. Fall right on my ass. Where is this guy in first place? See, basically the gist is just jumping over spaces. See, I fall right on my face. And now I'm in third place. And now I'm in fourth place. And now this guy is gonna be right on my tail. And now this guy blew up. I'm jumping. And there's my third place competition. Or second place. Or whatever. I don't care. And I'm yelling into my microphone like there's something wrong with me. Oh wait. There is. I'm insane. I swear if I'm second place. God! Let's try this again. This might be a rage video, ladies and gentlemen. Because now I'm... now I'm keeping up like it's nothing. And now I slow down. And I'm still yelling into my microphone. I better... Gah! I looked away for just a second. A second. That's how fast these races go by. You look away for a second and you're... you're screwed. Because you never know if you're either gonna run your face into some TNT or you fall off the edge. Oh, either way. How? You guys run through the TNT barrels. Why are you not falling over? Okay. I need to calm down. Because literally, I think your ears are bleeding. And he walks through the TNT barrels again. Are you on steroids? I swear, if you beat me again... Yeah, not today. Not today. And I better turn off my microphone.
Hi, folks. Captain Quark here. It is my distinct pleasure to introduce this year's HoverCon Intergalactic Champions. Let's give it up for newcomers,
Ratchet and Clank.
Hey, look, that's us.
Today's winners will take home a brand new professional-grade Model T15 Platinum Zoomerator. Manufactured by Gadgetron, this hoverboard drive delivers more lift, speed, and maneuverability than any other anti-grav device on the market. Well, folks, that's all the time we have. Tonight, remember to set your infobots to the Quark Classic channel for tonight's episode of Dogfight Over Death Canyon, starring yours truly. Thank you, and have a Quark-tastic day.
This guy has an ego. Holy crap. Yeah, didn't he say lie in Metropolis? Didn't he say he was doing this live? It's just a question. Alright. Okay. I want to apologize for yelling. That course just gives me bad memories of trying to do all these cool little tricks. Because there's a couple skill points that you get. Alright, we're gonna head to Planet Umbris, and then we'll leave that for the next episode. Because Planet Umbris, it's not a fun planet for me. Okay, and we're off. Again, I want to apologize about the screaming into the microphone. I mean, my microphone is literally wet with spit right now. Okay. Oh crap, there's dialogue. Just give me a sec.
Welcome to my challenge course. Now is your chance to prove yourself strong and brave, like me. Conquer it, and you'll join in my fight against evil.
Haven't we done enough already?
What? I can't hear you.
I said, haven't we done?
Sorry, still having trouble. Tell me later.
Later? We might be dead by then.
What?
All right, Clank, let's get going.
Alright. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time. I might record another episode soon. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, sorry about screaming into the microphone, and I will see you guys later.